on, gorgeous. Come say hi. Come on, handsome. Let me give you pets. You want some pets? Come on. Boy, you're a handsome boy, aren't you? Yes, you are. Come say hi. Yeah, I'll give you some food in a second. I don't want to just be up in your face without saying hi. Oh boy, you're a soft fur. Yeah, you're a gorgeous boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Wish your brother would come out. I wish your brother would come out. You're gonna fall down, silly. Come here. Come. Come on. I can't get the side of your cheek if you don't come closer. How about one more pet and I'll give you food and water, okay? And then maybe your brother will come out. Oh, thank you. Oh, doesn't that feel so good? I like it too. Yes. Yes. Oh, good kitten. Good kitten. Come here. Come here for some more. Come on. Oh, he's a handsome boy. You are. Okay, I'm gonna get you some food and water now, okay?